We are staying at the Walmart in Bremen, Georgia, which is about, say a half hour west of Atlanta on Route 20. Called in advance, told us to park over near this side of the parking lot, but we didn't expect the police to stop by. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&M motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. We were the only RV here. There wasn't any trucks. There was like no cars here. They close at 8:30 even though it's a super center because of the COVID. It was quiet. It's not real level here, but in our spot, we were able just to put the chalks out. We stayed hitched up, went in and went shopping, bought a ton of stuff because we haven't been to a Walmart in quite a while. But we were the only ones here. I was really surprised. There is a railroad track just up here on the other side of that truck, but we never heard it. We like to run a blower in the bedroom, just to keep the air moving around and gives us a little white noise. Plus I wear earplugs, but he said he never heard anything. Ran the generator. Our generator's really quiet. Honda 7000. Also, I went inside just to verify when we got here that it was still okay for us to be here. And so no problem. And we're just sitting here watching TV, and it was getting dark out. And all of a sudden, here comes Mr. Police. The police come by real slow, checking us out. Then he circled us, and then he came around again real slow. So Dave said, I better go outside.
Yeah, I figured we were going to get tossed. So I went out there and talked to the guy, and he just said, wow. He goes, man, you guys got it together. I had to come look at this thing. So we had a little conversation about it and how he says, oh, I can't wait to retire. And I said, well, put together your retirement plans. He said, my retirement plans involve selling everything I have, getting a boat, and moving to the Caribbean.
That's a pretty good plan.
That's what I told him. I said, sounds like you got a plan. And he goes, oh, yeah. So he also said this area is real good as far as crime or anything, so.
Yeah, he said we'd be real safe here.
Yeah.
Plus, I noticed there's lights all around here and cameras too.
Right. People said before that it's noisy. I didn't think it was noisy.
Mm-mm.
Oh. So pretty quiet. There he goes.
There goes another one. Well, of course, we had people come by and they were mostly looking at the tote, I think.
Yeah, a lot of people came by and looking at the tote with the car on it.
Yeah.
Just trying to figure out how does that work.
Got a couple thumbs up as I drove by in the parking lot.
Yep. A lot of camera action.
Yeah. One lady's like, that's great setup.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I'd stay here again in a heartbeat.
Yeah.
And, they're nice people here and clean parking lot.
Yep, for the price of groceries.
Yeah, and we needed them, so.
Oh, yeah. We were a little dead empty on the food supply.
So we're heading another 3 hours today to go to Arley, Alabama.
Yep.
Stay at Hidden Cove for 2 weeks.
Yep. Suck up a little bit of warm weather at Arley.
Yeah, it took us 5 hours to get here.
Yeah.
So this was a good stop. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.